Good morning, everyone. Today is October 19th, and we're going to create a video on replacing two thermostats in my house. Temperature right now at 9:30 in the morning is 29 degrees. I don't know if you can maybe see this right here. Kind of chilly. So we're going to create this video. There'll probably be a few days lag before this gets uploaded, but nonetheless, we're going to create this. So right now I'm using supplemental heat. I'm using our mini split system to heat the house. And this is working just fine. However, November 1st, I'd like to switch over to our boiler system. Before I can do that, we need to replace the thermostat. And one of our thermostats is original to the house. It's 20 years old. There was nothing exactly wrong with it. It's this... I don't know. It's a Honeywell programmable thermostat. Nothing fancy. It only controls heat. Doesn't do any sort of air conditioning control that we need it to. Battery low. It has new batteries in it. It just doesn't really work anymore. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to replace it with the new thermostat. Right here. We're going to replace it with this. This isn't anything fancy. It's not Wi-Fi connected. It doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't make my coffee. It's going to control the heat. This fits the bill. It's mostly just a screen. It's white. It will go nice next to our mini split thermostat system. And ideally, it'd be nice if all these were in one unit, but that would cost a lot of money to try to get it done. So I'm not gonna bother. All right. So I went downstairs and I killed the power for the boiler. That way we don't start turning stuff on accidentally. All right. So as you can see, this is only a 2-wire system because we don't run air conditioning. It's basically just a switch for the boiler on and boiler off. Oh, the capacitors still work. I took the batteries out and it's still showing on the display. Alright, so this is pretty straightforward. This is actually kind of nice. We don't have to do any sort of screwing around with the wires. Everything's labeled, and it even gives the length of wire that they expect you to have. And we're just going to basically poke the wires through this hole, and then these little knob or little tabs are the release for it. So we'll probably just go right in this way. So probably put it up like that. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to get my stud finder, and I just want to kind of see if there's anything else going on inside this wall besides this wire. All right, so using the stud finder here, I know the stud is right here, and we're just going to do a quick AC scan. And we seem to be okay. So we're going to go ahead and mount this. All right, 2 screws should work just fine. All right, we pushed the wires in, and I just gave it a little tug to verify that the tabs have locked it in, which they have. Okay, so we are set on that, and now we're just going to close that up. And I need one more battery. All right, we have our 3 batteries in, and now I'm just going to go ahead and install this. There, very nice. So we'll start our setup. It's asking for our oil, electric, fan coil, standard gas, heat stages 1, done. Finish setup. All right, now we need to set the date, and today is the 19th. So we'll go October 19th. It's done. 2020, done. Use daylight savings time, yes. Format 12 hour, yes. Time is it right now? It is 10 a.m. All right, we have our thermostat all installed. I like this thermostat. It's elegant looking. It's 100% touchscreen and was very easy to set up. You just have to follow the directions, go through the proper procedures on setting it up based on the type of equipment that you have in your house. With my system, it was very easy. I went downstairs, I turned off the power for the boiler, and then I disconnected the 2 wires and we just reconnected them. You know, a lot of times, as long as your equipment's working correctly, all you have to do is copy what the previous thermostat had.